Indian pacer Jasprit Bumrah has clinched the top spot in the test bowling rankings for the first time on the latest ICC men's test bowler rankings confirmed by the apex cricket control body ICC. With this, Bumrah has become the first bowler in history to be ranked on top in all three formats of cricket. Earlier, Bumrah was ranked the number one bowler in one-day internationals by ICC. However, he is currently ranked 6th in the one-day international format. In T20 format, he also achieved the top spot but currently is at 89th in the ranking. Bumrah's rise to the top of the test bowling rankings has happened because of his tremendous match figures of 9 for 91 during his side series, equaling 106-run victory over England in the second test in Visakhapatnam. The Indian pacer climbed 3 places on the latest test rankings for bowlers to claim the top spot from teammate Ravichandran Ashwin. Ashwin, who managed to take 3 wickets for India in that same match, dropped 2 places to 3rd on the updated rankings for test bowlers. He is now behind Bumrah and South Africa's Kagiso Rabada. Despite a previous best of 10 5-wicket hauls for his country from 34 test match appearances, Bumrah never held the top ranking. Then it was the 3rd position for him. According to ICC data, Bumrah is just the 4th player from India and the first fast bowler to top the bowling charts with Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja and Bishan Singh Bedi, the only players from the Asian country to have done so previously. Looking at the stats, Bumrah's latest 6-wicket haul was his 3rd best figure of Bumrah in Test cricket and first in India. With this, Bumrah has now 155 test wickets on his name. Before this, his best was 6 for 27 against West Indies in 2019 and 6 for 33 against Australia in 2018. He is also the second fastest Asian to reach 150th wicket, as he is just behind Pakistan's former pacer Waqar Younis, who achieved this feat in 27 test matches. Bumrah reaches the spot in 34 tests.